with us. Killer Cam. Killer Cam. LOEP Band. You ready? You can come on up here. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. My sister. Sister. Hold your hands. Superman reference. Sorry. Come to the stage. Forbidden fruit, ladies and gentlemen. Forbidden fruit. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
The name of this piece is called Door. This is titled Door. Conjoined, the galloping of our heartbeat is deafening in the silence. Legs clenched tightly around your waistline, you are now mine. I feel your swelling within me, rendering me helpless. Will you hold me? Will you close? Close my eyes as I brace for the rush in of endorphins through my door hinge. Falling, collectively collecting on the obelisk of my voice.